Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of our commercial sliding door kits LAG series. Available in single door glass mount, single door wall mount, and double door wall mount configurations. Designed for both commercial and residential spaces, these kits offer durability, smooth operation, and sleek aesthetics for modern interiors and exteriors. The LAG series sliding door kits are crafted from stainless steel 316, offering exceptional corrosion resistance and long-lasting performance. Designed for tempered glass doors with thicknesses of 3/8 inches and 1/2 inches, these kits deliver a seamless, quiet sliding experience with adjustable design for precise alignment. Available finishes include brushed stainless, matte black, polished stainless, and satin brass. Each kit includes mounting brackets, sliding tube, left and right door stops, door rollers, through glass pull, floor guide, end caps, and tube support. Let's have a look at the installation process of these sliding door kits. GGH offers two configurations for brackets: glass mount and wall mount. For glass mount installation, refer to the fabrication drawings for hole placements. Loosen and align the glass mount brackets in gaskets with the pre-drilled holes, then secure them. Repeat for all brackets. Align the header bar and secure it. For wall mount installation, mark the mounting holes for the wall mount brackets. Drill using a GGH drill bit, then align the brackets and secure them with the provided screws. Follow the same process for all brackets. Align the header bar and secure. Loosen the brackets and lift the header bar. Slide the left and right door stops onto the header bar, reinstall, and ensure the header bar is perfectly level. Refer to the fabrication drawings for hole placement. Use an adjustable wrench to remove the anti-lift and door mount fittings and loosen the top roller. Align the door rollers with the pre-drilled holes and secure them. Place the top rollers onto the header bar and tighten the set screw at the top of each roller. Plumb the door vertically and mark the center line. Remove the door and rotate the guide insert to match the glass thickness. Position the floor guide, mark and drill holes, then secure with screws. Re-hang the door ensures it engages with the floor guide. Fit the anti-lift block under the sliding tube. Tighten it with the spanner head tool and adjust so the roller moves freely through the mounting clamps. Use our S-epoxy silicone sealant to secure the end caps. Insert them into each end of the header bar. Grey Goat Hardware's LAG series sliding door kits are ideal for offices, conference rooms, residential interiors, and storefronts, delivering durability, elegance, and smooth operation. Thank you for choosing Grey Goat Hardware's LAG series sliding door kits. For more product details and installation resources, visit ggshardware.com or contact our sales team today.